Good morning, beautiful souls. Happy Equinox. I don't usually put a meditation out on a Wednesday, so it will be 3 videos this week rather than 2, simply because I'm feeling very guided to do a short visualization with all of you this morning, and secondly because there are so many events energetically and physically that are occurring around the world at the moment which require our higher attention. Now, when I say higher attention, I mean attention from a point of love rather than attention from a point of fear. A lot of us feel like we're being very squeezed by the circumstances, and others may actually, the events around are becoming very tangible, particularly, say for example, the volcano in the Canary Islands and many other different events that are occurring around the world. Mother Earth is building. On Monday we did a meditation to stabilize the matrix, stabilize the 5th dimensional matrix. Today what I've been guided to do is link us all heart to heart, planet wide, to provide a grid. Now these grids are this principle, this energetic principle, is powerful because you take the average heart, the heart that is not engaged, that is not consciously putting anything into its reality or surroundings, and it does its job as a heart center. But when you consciously engage with the 5th dimensional heart center, all of a sudden you have the ability to change reality, to create miracles. So what I invite everybody to do, all of you beautiful souls this morning, wherever you are in the world, is just take a few moments, tune into this energy of the equinox, the balance between light and dark, and let's link in with each other, heart to heart. Now this will not be a frequency link where you start picking up everybody else's stuff, because we're all going through stuff. A 5th dimensional heart center is a pure link, okay? It provides a network and a grid of much higher stability, and we can hold what is occurring around the world in the highest light, so the best and the most fortuitous outcomes are occurring on our timeline. So just take a few moments. If you can grab a crystal, or if you have one to hand, grab a crystal, hold it either in your hands or place it over your heart center. Take a few deep breaths. Breathe in. And on the first in-breath, consciously light your 5th dimensional heart center up. You may see or sense it as a beautiful white and golden ball of light in the center of your chest. Watch it ignite as you breathe into it. And on the second in-breath, ask it to expand and begin its expansion process. So breathe in and see it moving from the center of your chest to the width of your shoulders. And on the third breath, we're going to activate the higher heart. So take a deep breath in. And just see this area of beautiful, I see it as turquoise light, activating between your throat and your heart center. And just be aware now that all facets of the heart are now engaged. Take another deep breath in and just keep expanding your heart center. Now just breathe and relax. You will now be contained within a bubble of your own heart light. Now ask your heart, either out loud or in your head, to identify and link into other heart centers resonating at a 5th dimensional frequency. And this will take your heart a matter of seconds. Automatically, all around you, your heart will identify billions of other heart centres on this planet at this moment in time that are consciously or unconsciously resonating at a fifth dimensional frequency. Watch them all lighting up. We're not talking thousands here or millions, we are talking billions of heart centres. And just see all of these beautiful golden white and turquoise aquamarine points of light just lighting up all around the world. And now, either out loud or in your head, just say these words. I, your name, call upon Archangel Chamuel, Archangel Christiel, and Universal Angel Mary to link my fifth dimensional heart centre in with all other vibrant, bright, fifth dimensional hearts on this planet. And the wording doesn't have to be exact. All you need to do is ask Archangel Chamuel, Archangel Christiel, and Universal Angel Mary to link your heart in with all of the other hearts around this world, and bless each and every one of them. And be aware now that a grid is forming, a very, very powerful grid. A grid of gold and white, aquamarine, pink and turquoise light. And this is all around the world. Some of us may be clustered together in certain countries and there might be a little bit of a gap, but we're now linking in to all of these other heart centres. A unified grid of heart light around Mother Earth. You might even sense and see or feel yourself joining hands with your brothers and sisters in the light. These will be your soul family. Might even be actually now receiving the presences of ascended masters and angels who are joining us to link into this grid. Consciously form and visualize in your mind, or just ask to be part of this incredibly powerful grid of light around Mother Earth. And take another deep breath in now. And as you breathe out, engage and activate your heart to vibrate at the highest frequency and at the resonant frequency of all of the other hearts linking in. People will be linking into this unconsciously as well as consciously. It won't just be the people seeing this meditation. All of the hearts vibrating at this frequency will receive the call, the cellular chime. And just see this web of light around the world. We are now intending to hold this vibration of love, stability, unity and higher consciousness around Mother Earth for as long as needs to be, to ensure that all of the occurrences on this world happen for the higher good of everybody. We are guiding and we are steering and we are holding the process. Our intention and our manifestation will create miracles. It is so. And now adding to the grid are unicorns and higher galactics and dragons, ascended masters and archangels, strengthening the points of contact between us all, and also adding their own light to the grid. So stability and unity, love and higher consciousness all around the planet. And this will enable all of the changes that are occurring to happen in a high and safe space at all times. Add your own words to this, your own wishes, any invocation or anything that you wish to add to it yourself, place it within the grid. Make sure that it is positive and that it is working for the highest good of everyone and everything around us. The heart can do no wrong. And I'm seeing the earth now surrounded in almost an impenetrable golden white and what looks like to be turquoise and pink light. And this will get stronger and stronger as the day goes on. Doesn't matter what time zone you're in, however far away that you might be from the next heart centre, we're all linked in now. And just continue to breathe and relax. Now consciously send love from the centre of your heart to wherever you feel it is most needed on the world at the moment. It could be a political or a structural occurrence that's occurring around you. It could be laws or regulations or situations that might be happening that are concerning you. It might be a physical change such as the eruption in the Canary Islands. We are all unified and holding this in the highest light, and we will continue to do so, and we have the backing of the universe. So just know this as we flow into the equinox today and the next period of the year that is coming up. Let's take a few moments to thank your heart for this and thank the other hearts all around the world, the billions of heart centres that are now joined in unity. We are far more powerful and far more unified than we as individuals would ever give ourselves credit for. So always know this, and we are gaining momentum and gaining strength in the light on a daily basis. And just thanking the archangels, the ascended masters, the dragons, the unicorns, and all of the other higher beings of light from up there in the cosmos and the higher dimensions for assisting us in doing this today. And when you are ready, just come back to where you are, and I will be back on Friday with an Ascension update, a general report on what's going on the planet, the way I'm seeing it and perceiving it. And just be aware of your heart from this point onwards, working in unity with other hearts. This is how we will be operating and functioning on a high level to keep this process stable, especially over the next 3 to 6 months. When things are beginning to look like they are possibly rolling in the wrong direction, we stabilise it, we catch it, and we hold it in the highest light, and we allow the process to do what it is gold printed to do, rather than what it might do if it goes, if it rolls in the wrong direction, which it's not going to. Okay, so just be aware of how hard you are working energetically as well as physically, and enjoy your day. Happy equinox, sending you all loads of love, and I'll be back on Friday. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.